We make and zoom. Suppose we are not able to see, please note down up to order of specific charge. That starting introduction, anyway, new syllabus, they removed that one. Even that we are going to be studying physics. No need for chemistry, that things. So we require this, the table, this much enough. Please note down this is asterisk. Please note down. Atomic structure, this is the first table. This is the charge of electron. Okay. We are going to make this chapter easy only. Huh? Don't worry that one. Atomic structure, chapter name. Please look into NCERT. Atomic structure, chapter name is atomic structure. Note down. Once completed, let me know that one. Please note down this table as it is. Once completed, let me know that one. I completed that much fast. Good. Up to second point, important point, up to order of mass as well as order of specific charge. You can note that is also. Electrostatic unit, ESU means electrostatic unit. This is the CG system unit for charge. Charge unit is coulomb, you know that one. This is in CG system. Electrostatic unit is the CG system unit, that is. Done. Okay, fine. Please note down. According to Dalton's atomic theory or Dalton's theory, is right. According to Dalton's theory, so according to Dalton's theory, atoms are small particles. No, just I'm explaining. After that, you make a note down. Rest only today like this, okay? This introduction, that's why after once our explanation started, at the time everything I'm going to be explained. Just starting point. Already we have some good knowledge about stoichiometry. That's why I'm doing this is. Right. Actually, according to Dalton atomic theory, atoms you can't indivisible, means you can't break. According to his theory, actually starting of the atomic theory, this is given atom you can't break into subatomic particles like proton, electron. but practically we can make it this. We can break into subatomic particles like atoms, electrons. Means atom contain electron, proton, neutrons. Okay. So that's why this theory is not acceptable at the time. He said atom is not breakable, means atom should not contain any small particles. But practically, experimentally proved that one atom contains subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron. So his theory is broke down. Then you can write mass number. If you want, you can note down the 2 points. Otherwise, you can write directly mass number onwards. Okay, because that's the only one statement. Atom we can't break up. That is a given. Completed mass number. Mass number is the total number of protons plus total number of neutrons. It is called mass number. Mass number is the total number of protons plus total number of electrons is the mass number. Next, our atomic number. Atomic number represented by Z. Atomic number equal to number of protons, sir. Number of protons present in the atom is called atomic number. Are they not visible? So, can check it please. First mass number you noted down. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Please check it. Next, please note down, sir. Next, atomic number. I will dictate, you make a note down. It represented by Z. I'm dictating. It is represented by Z. The number of protons present in the nucleus is called atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus is called atomic number of element. Okay. The number of protons present in the nucleus is called atomic number of an element. It is also known as nuclear charge. It is also known as nuclear charge. is also known as nuclear charge. Right, previously, small request. Previously, someone they helped me to do my Windows 10 activate. May I know that person name, please? Is there in J section? I think so. Someone they helped me to activate my Windows. Please, can you raise your hand, or you may can send SMS, please. Yes, Prasanna Venkatesh, correct. Are will you free after class? Few minutes. Because my Windows updated itself. After that, I think so. My Zoom I am not able to open. This is. We need to see that one. We'll do that one after class. Okay, sir. We can write now. For neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. Please write atomic number. Atomic number over. Then write next point. For neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. For neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. Plus, right, sir, next. For charged atom, number of electrons equal to. For charged atom, number of electrons equal to Z minus charge on atom. Z minus charge on atom. Please note down, sir. Number of electrons equal to, for charged atom, number of electrons equal to number of, sorry, charge, again, for charged atom, number of electrons equal to Z minus charge on atom. Array over, few things only. No need to write after this. Now I am giving questions. Can you find out? Write number of neutrons equal to, write one more point. Number of neutrons equal to mass number minus atomic number. Please write mass number minus atomic number. Number of neutrons equal to mass number minus atomic number. Note another point. Write next point. Mass number equal to what you can write, sir, from that formula. Mass number A, symbol is A. Mass number A equal to atomic number Z plus number of neutrons. You may can write, sir, P plus N. P is the protons and N is the neutron. N is the neutrons. You can write A equal to P plus N. P plus N. A equal to P plus N. Note it down. A equal to P plus N. N means number of neutrons. N means number of neutrons. P means number of protons. I am dictating. You don't want copy from anything that page. Leave that one on screen. Just which I am dictating, you can note down. Don't write from that whatever they given. So I am dictating only 2 to 3 lines, not too much. Clear? Now write, sir. Take carbon 612. Carbon 612. Array 6 means you have to write atomic number bottom. Write first carbon symbol. I'm showing here. You can see, sir. C612. Right, C612. So how many protons, sir? Which is the we are showing bottom? It's the showing bottom. That is atomic number, nothing but protons. Which is power is there 12. That is mass number A. So what is the number of neutrons? Please do that one. Array C612 I given. What is the proton number? What is the neutrons number? What is the electrons? All these things we need to write. If anyone completed, let me know that one. C612. So number of protons equal to 6. Number of electrons will equal to 6. Number of neutrons equal to 6. Now I am giving one more element, right? Sodium 1123. Sodium 1123. Sodium 1123. Sodium 1123. Same. How many protons? How many neutrons? How many electrons? Right, sir. What is the mass number also? 11, which is small number, you have to write subscript, and which is power, you have to write mass number. Wait, I am trying to share screen only. Just a minute. Actually, today my laptop is not working. That's why. Okay. Since average atomic mass already calculated, I hope you know very well. Average atomic mass we calculated. Not we calculated na previous class, means in the sense atomic stoichiometry only calculated average atomic mass. Can you try this question? I may can see here an element last question, sir. Otherwise, I'm dictating that question. Can you note it down? One is the given bromium 35, 79, 35, 79, one isotope mass. And next one 35, 81. Both are 50% each one. 35, 79, 35, 81. They have each one 50%. So what is the weight, average atomic mass? What is the average atomic mass? Can you try it? Already one student they given. Array Sudhakar, you can chat it because today I can't do anything because my system is not working. I am trying to do something class through mobile, so that's why. So I think so I will see that what happened that laptop. May can see for next class. But right now we can try this introduction. I am repeating, sir. Bromine 35, 39. Bromine 35, 79. Atomic mass is 79. 35 is atomic weight, so atomic number. Next, bromine 35, 81. Bromine 35, 81. So both, each one is 50%, 50%. What's the average atomic mass? 80 is correct answer. Next question I am giving. If you are able to see screen, you can see last question, that is, an element have 3 isotopes. An element, are right under average atomic mass. Siding, sir, under average atomic mass we are discussing. An element have 3 isotopes and their isotopic weights are 11, 12, 13 unit. 11, 12, 13 unit. And their percentage of occurrence in nature is 85, 10, 5 respectively. 85, 10, 5 respectively. Calculate the average atomic weight of element. Calculate the average atomic weight of element. Just write roughly, no issue with this. You got answer, then enough. No need to write everything like, okay, notes. So what you are getting answer, let me know that one. Don't copy even answer available, but don't copy that one. Try to solve. ID పంపిస్తే ఎంటర్ చేయలేదాన్ని ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసి తీసుకో ఫోటో తీసుకో సార్ ల్యాప్టాప్ అది లాగిన్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఏదంటే చూసుకోవటం ఏదో ఒక మెయిల్ ఏదైతే లాగిన్ అవుతుందో లేదు లాగిన్ అవుదాం ఎందుకు అవ్వట్లేదు ఎందుకు Yes, you got it. Fine. Next page we can try it. So average atomic weight, you got it. How to calculate average atomic weight? Already you know that one. Okay. Next, write isotopes are isotopes. Here, wait. What they given? Write isotope next heading. Think so. You may can check it here. Are able to see or not screen? Otherwise, I will dictate, sir. You don't worry. If you are not able to see, I will dictate that one. Next heading, isotope. Right, isotope. They are the atoms of given element they are the atoms of a given element which have the same atomic number which they have the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Examples you may can write here. Or if you are able to see, you can write they have same nuclear charge but different number of neutrons. You may can write that point also. They have same nuclear charge means same atomic number but different number of neutrons. Chlorine 1735, chlorine 1737, chlorine 1735, chlorine 1737. So atomic number is 1717, mass number 3537. So only differ is number of జాయిన్ అవడానికి అది రాలేదు. So got it. All right, examples are hydrogen H11, H12, H13. You may can write H11, H12, H13. So you can calculate how many neutrons is there. H11 and H12, H13. Can you write neutrons orderly? Can you write neutrons orderly? This is 2020 or 19 JEE question, sir. Write the neutrons, each one. Like now, so how many protons we are getting, sir? How many neutrons? What your answer, please? Zero, 1, 2. 2019 or 20 JEE question this is. I don't remember exactly here, but this question came. January shift, okay, 2020 January shift. I'm repeating question. Calculate the number of neutrons present in H11. What's the meaning H11 means, sir? Atomic number 1 is mass number also 1. Power you have to write. Next H12, that is deuterium we called. H12, power is 2, mass number is 2. Tritium H13, mass number is 3. Now can you calculate number of neutrons for each case? That is a question, sir. E by m means specific charge. Charge by mass, that is specific charge. E by m is specific charge. If mass number same, then you may can get same specific charge. If mass number is different, means you won't get. రకరకాలు ఉంటాయి చూడవన్నీ క్యాపిటల్ స్మాల్ అరే leave which is already have that books also available. Write one more question. Right, deuterium also is called heavy hydrogen. You noted on that point. Deuterium is also called heavy hydrogen. Hey, my voice is not audible. Please check it. No, it is not audible. Next one, make and write. Things isotopes you got. I'm giving one more isotopes, right? Oxygen 16, 17, 18. You make and write, sir. Right, today may not be possible. That's why tomorrow onwards we will do that one. I told you no problem. My laptop is not opening, that is. So just little bit going on work. Tomorrow we can do that is. I think so. Now morning also work that one. Afternoon that updated itself. Then that time onwards that is not working. Write it. Every element they have some isotopes. Every element in the universe, every element they have some isotopes. Okay. So that's why we are getting fraction of atomic mass. And this weekend portion is we are going to discuss, I think, up to hydrogen. We're expecting Rutherford model, isotopes, and everything. So next we make and write isobars also. Please note down this is isobars. Next heading, please note down isobars. Isobars means simple thing. Mass number is same, different protons, different electrons. That is a simple word. Isobars means the elements which one have same mass number, different atomic number, different. Maybe you can take neutrons also. Okay. So next class we'll discuss all these things clearly. Today I think so screen is not working. That is the reason. We'll take next class. So if possible, I think so already I sent you book or seekers material. Just read that introduction of atomic structure. Then we'll continue that one. Okay. Seeker host, please. We can end now. Tomorrow you can continue because screen is not working. Anyway, 2 minutes only is there. Thank you. Thank you very much.